Hello YouTuber folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I had a video. In this video I'm gonna try to see if I can disassemble the cooler from Gigabyte RTX 1590 gaming OC. The reason is to put a water block on it, and that's going to be the second part of the video. I'm doing this for the first time, so bear with me here. What you need is obviously a screwdriver. So let's see if we can take off some of the screws. I'll start from either side. I'll try this from this side and see if the screws are different. I'll just put them here or here maybe in order. Try not to talk too much. I already covered the PCIe, just to make sure I don't drop anything on it or damage the PCIe. So these are the screws here, and then there are 4 screws for the chip itself. Already taken this out, so there's no need. And probably you're gonna lose your warranty on this, maybe not, I'm not sure. Anyhow, I'm gonna do it. So these screws has to be taken off as well. Also there's a screw on the other side there's no knot here, but this seems to be coming off. Okay, let's do this first. So these screws seem to be different seem to be shorter. Again, bear with me here. I didn't find any videos online, so I might pause the video and see where I have to go from there, because this seems to be kind of stuck. Okay. And just pause the video. This might be one of the reasons. I had a bracket here for the anti-sag bracket mount, so I have to take this one out as well. Still, I have no clue. I don't want to break the card. So let's just see. Anyhow, let's take this one out. And there are some here. In here. You won't probably see it, but these are the ones. But I still feel something is holding, which is weird. I don't want to break this card. there's definitely something holding this back. So let me see, let me figure out what's going on. Could be these, I don't know. So let's go slow here. I'm just going cross pattern and then putting my hand here so I relieve the pressure. Could be just that. Hopefully that's what stopping it from coming out. Put this here so I know which one was on the right bottom corner. Still, it looks so... Seems that there are something like these seems to be holding the card down. I don't know. That's scary, man. Anything here? Nothing here. Maybe I have to open the fans, I'm not sure. Okay guys, so the reason that it's not coming off, it's obviously because it's the first time I'm taking this apart, and as I read, there are no thermal pads, they're putty, and that's why it's there's a lot of resistance. So just look, when you play around with it, I'll try to open it from the other side because there were connectors. Look, it's just, you know, you see it's coming apart. That's nasty. Or look, it is coming apart. Oh shit. Okay, so there are connectors here. This one is very risky. I don't want to break it. Wow. Okay, so let's go from the other side then. So take these two out, which is gonna be pain. There's definitely some blocking here. Oh no, that's not too bad, but I have it on the picture. Let's just mark it down. So this one is, mark it down to be, it's clear, no worries. I'll take this one out. Again, I'm not pulling from the wire. And then this one right here. I don't know how this one comes out. It's a very tight. This right here. Okay, this out. That's it, guys. That's it. I'm gonna pause the video. So this is how it looks like. It's the cooler and the core itself. That's nasty. You have to clean up all that putty. That's weird. And then probably taking these screws out. So it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that I could take it out later, but yeah, these I have to take out. Let me just take the cooler, put the cooler to the side. Yeah, I'm trying to help you guys if whoever is trying to take this apart they don't go through my misery, right? So yeah, guess these ones. Tend to be 2 types of screws. Let's see. Is this similar to that? Yeah, it looks similar to the one that we took from the back plate. But then there's this one that is different. And then hopefully that's all we have to do. Seems like it. There's another one here. And then one here. So this one definitely coming out. And that's it. That's it, guys. I'm gonna bring alcohol to clean up, or maybe I'm gonna skip this part because everyone can do it. Okay, guys, so I used the 91% alcohol, and this is after it's been cleaned up. It's nasty. Taking the cooler apart is one thing. Look at this shit. It's just too much goop. No wonder why the cards are cheaper from Gigabyte, right? There's still, you see, there are still marks, but I don't care. The core is okay, and other stuff are cleaned up. I might just do a touch up, but let's just open up the bracket, the water block, sorry, not the bracket, the water block, and apply the pads onto the front.